Hello everyone, I am very excited today. We had a great event last night in Madrid. I am with Vice President right now, and we have a great news. I just woke up with a beautiful news here, told by Sandra herself, and we are here today for our best leader in my whole team, Mr. Tariq Zia. For this, actually, I'm just going to pass on to Sandra herself to tell the news. Can you please tell Sandra?
Yes, it's a very pleasure. I wake up this morning and I look in our system, something incredible. So because of this, I'm here with Adam. First, to get the congratulations, because Adam invites our second diamond in the company. In a reality, Tariq is the first diamond, and also I'm very happy because Tariq from Pakistan, he do an incredible job with your team. So my congratulations, Tariq. You well done. Congratulations, well done your team. And I want to tell you, I'm going to pray for your success and also success of your team. I hope I can see you really soon in Dubai, for we can talk more about the way you and your team see our business, Eagle Bee Trades. You know, this is a very important moment for the company, for your team, and I believe for you in himself. Be a diamond, second diamond in the world. In your team, it have to be something incredible.
Absolutely.
Adam, what you have to, your heart tell a team of Taraki?
I'm very excited and I'm very thankful for Tariq and his team. The way they are working, they are doing an incredible job, and I'm very excited. I'm very humbled because Tariq has actually changed the whole world and changed the whole meaning of network marketing. He has done the best in the whole company. See, in only 2 months, he became diamond.
It's impressionant. I'm impressioned.
Impressed.
Impressed.
Yeah. And great. Thank you very much, Tariq. And I'm coming next week to see you guys in Pakistan, and we're gonna have a lot of fun, guys. Have a great one. Thank you very much.
Okay, you know what's happened today? Her team, he knows. I think everybody knows, but it's a very impressionant moment when one company do this. Tariq, this is the keys of your car. Well done, congratulations. You are the new diamond in Eagle Bee Trades.